The 4Ws Outdoors, gun safety, shotgun, range stay.
Hi everyone, my name is Teresa. Today I'm with 4Ws Outdoor, and today we're gonna be clay shooting with this Winchester.
Winchester XS3.
Yep,
That's my personal gun. It's numbered 1.
one of the best.
All right.
Howdy, y'all.
So tell us where you work.
I work at Academy, and that's exactly where I met Willard. We got to talking, and I said I wanted to do duck hunting, and he was like, if you show up, then I can take you. And here we are, practicing clay shooting for the upcoming season.
And when do we meet?
When?
When do we meet?
Oh, we met yesterday.
I told you.
Less than 24 hours ago.
I told you I don't play around when it
He
comes
does
to
not.
introducing people to the outdoors. So who's this good-looking fella right here?
Howdy, I'm the brother of Teresa here. My name is Twan. I am a project engineer for the multifamily industry, and I'm out here today with Willard here. My sister dragged me out. Said, hey, you want to go do some clay shooting? I'm all up for it. And
All right.
he said he's a nice stud, so
And he's one of the best.
there you go.
So we're going to see how good I am, and then I'm going to turn y'all into as good as me.
Oh yeah.
How about that? Because
good.
you know, in order to shoot a duck, can you shoot it on the ground, or it's going to be what?
Fine.
Then you have to identify the duck. You have to know if it's a duck. Is that a bird? Is that a duck? Is that a swan? It's a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
This is just the beginning. I would say this is the easy part. Can you wake up at 4:30 in the morning?
I can wake up at 3.
Okay. Can you stand in the cold water with waders on?
Oh yeah.
All right. So that, don't play, because that's all part of it. Well, 4:30, I don't know, Mr. Willard. That's kind of early. All right. Thank you. Let's go and knock the target that you took the end off of it. Okay, a little low. Okay, a little tight. Okay, so just a little low. So just try it again. Whatever you did. Okay. And
There you go.
target. Sit on the bottom.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna throw one more out. All right. Go off and save. Whichever one you want to see. I got you. Okay, hold it. So the gun's empty. Okay. Finger on the trigger. All right. So you get your target. Did it disappear completely?
No.
So you hit it to the
Left.
okay. What did you do that you needed to do?
I think positioning my on the shoulder first, because I'm not sure why.
Right, so tell you what, you set this down.
A bit too higher up.
Ready? Pull. Got it.
Got a piece of it.
Got a piece of it.
Pull.
See? You got the whole thing.
On the
Hold
dot.
Down there, we'll go to the right a little bit. See, you see the difference?
Yeah. I gotta work on following it.
Yeah. Pull. You got a piece of it way out there.
Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah. You got a little piece of it. Pull. Missed that one.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Getting cocky now. One more, then we'll let her
All right.
Shake it off.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, you just gotta kind of wiggle it off.
Take your time.
Okay.
Pull.
Oh,
Okay.
there you go. You want to pump it?
No, it's already it's a hot gun. And I'll pump it. Rack one. Just rack it back. Pull it back. Straight back. There you go. Up. You ready? Hold on. Hold on. Take it. Yeah, alpha safe. There you go. 2 shots. Okay. A little low.
It's very difficult.
What you see there? Good job. Right. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's auto, so there you go. Pull. That's how it's done.
Let's go.
There you go.
Huh? Ready?
Pull.
Got it.
Got a piece of it.
Got a piece of it. See? Took off half his wings. Okay?
Pull.
Just a little piece.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, I saw a little piece come out.
Okay.
Pull.
There you go.
That's how it's done. One more. Come on.
It's a lot of pressure.
Pull. Got a piece of it.
There you go. One more.
Pull.
Woo.
Just like you now.
Okay.
Pull.
All right. Okay.
Pull.
There you go. Way how it's done. Huh?
Oh my God.
Is that all you or is that the instructor?
Call me a pro staff?
Yeah. You got to get a shirt and a hat.
That is all Willard. That is all Willard.
Say it again louder so they can hear it.
That is all Willard.
Tell them they need to come out and learn how to do this.
Y'all need to come out. Willard is a great instructor. So, and y'all need to show up too. Pull.
All right. All right. You got this.
Pull.
That's how.
Pull.
Good
That
shot.
was all. It disappeared, disintegrated.
Pull.
A little hot.
All right.
All right. All right. We take that one
When you're ready. Pull. Oh. It wasn't on fire.
Okay, that's all right.
All right. Pull.
All right. So
Pull.
swing it left, right. Left, right. Just practice, practice, practice. Okay, take it off of safe.
Pull.
Pull. There you go. Pull. 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 There you go.
Pull.
It's all right.
Pull.
There you go. Hey, LinkedIn, this is Willard Franklin with the 4Ws Outdoors. You know, we out here with my new friend that works at Academy. She happened to see me, saw my shirt, like, hey, how can I be a part of that? That was yesterday.
Less than 24 hours
And
ago.
today we what? Shotgun
Shot.
range. So we taught you how to utilize shotgun. We started on the ground. Well, I don't know if I can hit him in the air. Did you hit him in the air?
I did.
And now we over here in the skeet field. Did you hit something here too?
Yep.
So tell more ladies if they want to learn how to shoot. Was it intimidating? Were you afraid or scared or any of that?
Ladies, don't feel intimidated. Willard is a great instructor and a coach, and you'll have fun out in the field.
All right, LinkedIn. We're serious about introducing the next generation to the outdoors. You gonna go duck hunting with me?
Yep. September,
Dove hunting, hog hunting.
November, all seasons.
We got you.
Gearing up for Texas duck season.